What do you think about like artificial intelligence solutions? Like, for example, I was recently thinking of testing the Nvidia Broadcaster, for example. Artificial intelligence boosted noise cancellation, noise reduction, noise treatment. So it basically that you could record in a louder environment and completely cancel any sounds that are happening in the background, and you are getting a recording. And I heard some of them, they're good. What do you think about these kind of solutions?
There are some good solutions, especially from Isotope. Isotope have softwares that helps a lot, but it's very destructive. If we don't really handle that, if we don't know how to use that correctly, we can destroy everything. So that's tricky. But I heard about another stuff from Nvidia. I think it's not a software, a hardware. You put that in your computer, and you can have a podcast, or you can broadcast something on Twitch, and you have air conditioner just beside you.
That's what I'm talking about. The broadcaster. It's Nvidia Broadcaster.
That's completely insane. I saw that in the internet. I didn't test it, but I would like to. But that's insane. And if it works, it could be a game changer, really. And this is the first step. This is the first step to, I think.